Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu Alikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I'm Muhammad Shahid and today we are going to discuss the first page of HSK2 standard textbook. मेरा नाम मोहम्मद शाहिद और आज हम HSK2 चाइनीज़ प्रोफिशिएंसी का जो टेस्ट है लेवल 2 का उसके पेज नंबर फर्स्ट को आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. So it is very easy. I have already translated the characters into Pinyin. We will discuss that what is written on the top of the lesson. So it says 9月去北京旅游最好9月去北京旅游最好 September is the best time to visit Beijing. So I will translate. मैं आपके सामने इसकी तशरीह करता हूँ, इसको बयान करता हूँ कि क्या कहा गया है इसमें. तो 9月 means 9th month. So 9th month in the calendar is September. Okay. So 去 means to go. Beijing is a city, a famous city in China. You know it. Above that, they wrote a sentence in a characters. So I have given the pinyin of that. You can see here. So I'll say 给下面的词语双字对应的照片。give 下面的词语 the words given below 双字双字 means select 对应的照片 corresponding picture. So I have written the English translation, the exact English translation of that. Choose a photo for the words given below, or you can say match the pictures with the words. So there are 6 pictures. First one is A, labeled with A, it is a kite. Then it is a football, is labeled with B. Then an I with C. Then 2 people who are on a travel or on a visit somewhere, they are labeled with D. Someone is doing an exercise, it's kind of a sport, so it is labeled with E. And then finally the sixth picture is labeled with F. It is a chair. So I have already given the Urdu translation of that in front of you, and in English I'll translate the first one. 旅游 means to travel. Okay, so you can easily pictures. First one is A, labeled with A, it is a kite. Then it is a football, is labeled with B. Then an I with C. Then 2 people who are on a travel or on a visit somewhere, they are labeled with D. Someone is doing an exercise, it's kind of a sport, so it is labeled with E. And then finally the 6th picture is labeled with F. It is a chair. So I have already given the Urdu translation of that in front of you, and in English I'll translate the first one. 旅游 means to travel. Okay, we are going to write the word with which these pictures are labeled. So who are traveling, who are touring? So these 2 people in the picture D we can write over here. So the best suitable option here with us is 旅游. If I write this, I can write it like this. Okay, 旅, and then after that like this. 旅游 is to travel, safar karna. So this is the best matching picture with this word, number first. Okay, the second word is 运动 in Urdu. If I write its pronunciation, अगर उर्दू में इसका तलफ़ुज़ लिखना चाहूँ तो कैसे लिखूँगा? ऐसे 运动 okay, so it's sport, and we can see that the labeled E picture, the picture which is labeled with E, the word E, best suits this word number second. So we will write here E option is okay. पहला जो ऑप्शन था उसमें डी आ रहा था क्योंकि दो लोग आप देख सकते हैं पिक्चर जो तस्वीर दी गई है डी अल्फ़ाबेट के साथ, तो उसके सामने मैंने सफ़र करना लिखा हुआ है, तो दो लोग सफ़र करने के लिए आए हुए हैं, तो उनमें से एक जो औरत है वो तस्वीर ले रही है, तो इट मीन्स दैट दे आर ऑन अ टूर समवेयर, दे आर ट्रैवलिंग, सो दैट इज़ वाई जो डी वाला ऑप्शन है वो हमारे साथ सही आता है। अच्छा, इसके बाद युनडोंग इज़ अ स्पोर्ट, खेल को कहते हैं, सो उसके साथ जो बेहतर ऑप्शन आ रहा है वो ई है, और इसको हम कैसे लिखते हैं? सो आई do not see a place over here for writing it, but I'll just write over here how to write this word 运动 like this. Okay, 运动 okay. The next one is 眼睛 कहते हैं आंख को, 运动कहते हैं खेल को, 旅游 कहते हैं सफ़र करना को, 眼睛 कहते हैं आंख को। 眼睛 means eye, so you can clearly see that the option C is matching with this 3, the blank 3, okay, and we can write it like this. 眼 like this. 眼睛 okay. The next one is 足球 football, 足球 कहते हैं football को. So you can see that the picture B is suiting this one, and you can write football like this. Like this, 足球, and the next one is chair. 足球 means football. 椅子 कहते हैं कुर्सी को. So the best suiting picture with this is option F, and we can write it like this. And the last one is cat. So A is suiting this, and we can write it like this. Mao with the first tone, it means Mao. Okay, so this is how we write and how we filled these correct options. And in the question number 2, which is given below, question number 2, it says 看下面的照片，说说来北京旅游最好的时间。Look at the pictures and talk about the best time to visit Beijing. or look at the pictures below and talk about the best time to travel to Beijing. Okay, नीचे वाली तस्वीर को देखें और ये कहें कि कौन सा वक्त मुनासिब है, मौजू है बीजिंग सफ़र करने के लिए, बीजिंग की सियाहत करने के लिए. सो सान्युए कहते हैं मार्च को, तीसरा महीना. ओके, सन कहते हैं 3 को, युए कहते हैं मंथ को. सो third month in the English calendar is March, and Liu Yue is sixth month, and you know sixth month in English calendar is June, and September is 9月 September. Okay, so it's a 9th month, and as this is the topic of our chapter, so we'll say that this is the right option. Okay, 9月去北京旅游最好, or we can say that the 9th month means September is the best month to travel to Beijing, and 12月 means December, 12th month. So as it is a part of our lesson and we understood it that the 9th month, which is September, is the best time to travel to Beijing. So this was all for today, and I hope that you would have not only learned about the solution of the questions given to us on this page of HSK level 2 standard textbook, but also you would have learned some pinyin of the questions that are given, but in the book you will not find the pinyin of the sentences that I wrote for you. And we are going to meet with the dialogue of this chapter, this lesson, in the next video lecture. I hope you do like these videos. Don't forget to subscribe to Chinese Language Made Easy. Chinese Language Made Easy को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, और हम इसी तरह मज़ीद अच्छी वीडियो के साथ जो इसका लेसन है, सबक है, इसके साथ जुड़ा हुआ, वो हम इसके अगली जो वीडियो होगी उस लेक्चर में उस पर बात करेंगे. कुछ डायलॉग्स है उसको पढ़ेंगे और उसको समझेंगे. इसमें तकरीबन जो चीज़ें आपके सामने हैं वो मैंने उर्दू में लिखी हुई थी पहले से, और जो सही जवाब आ रहा था जिस तस्वीर के साथ जो आपने लिखना था वो मैंने आपके सामने लिख दिया. और नीचे जो ये दूसरा क्वेश्चन है उसमें ये कह रहे हैं कि चीन मतलब बीजिंग जाने के लिए मौजू वक्त कौन सा है. नीचे तस्वीरों को देखें और उससे आप अंदाज़ा लगाएं. तो चूँकि हमारे सबक का नाम ही यही है, जो यूएची बीजिंग लुयाओ ज़ुए हाओ, सो सितंबर इज़ द बेस्ट टाइम टू विज़िट बीजिंग, यानी सितंबर का महीना जो है वो मौजू है, मुनासिब है, ज़्यादा अच्छा है बीजिंग के सफ़र करने के लिए, बीजिंग की सियाहत करने के लिए. सो हमने इस ऑप्शन को, इस जवाब को चुना, और ऊपर वाले जितने भी जवाब थे वो मैंने आपके सामने लिख दिए हैं. मैं यकीन रखता हूँ कि आपको कोई मसला उनमें नहीं आएगा. सो सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. 再见.